In this demo, we'll be showing you the Lightning Pro running within ArcPro 2.8. We'll go ahead and start up Lightning Pro by clicking on the Start Alignment Sheet Generation, which will bring up the Select Project dialog. You'll see that the default project is selected. In this next one, you'll see that the new line has been selected, so we'll hit Continue. And at this point, we'll see the main dialog load up and begin loading the settings from the previously run sheets. Now you'll see that the seed file location and the project location are at the top. It's determined the project coordinate system. It's showing you what layout details that it's reading, as well as the centerline details. At this point, the only thing we'll need to do is we'll select the tiles. In this case, we've defined some tiles, so we can select that. We do want to import them in so that it knows which sheets we're going to build. And it gives you some basic information about that. Now you could go in and select text styles and symbols and title blocks and orthos all the way down. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and export these sheets. So we'll go to the very bottom, we'll hit export. And in the export, you'll see where the output folder is. You can go in and select a new location. Which sheets we're going to build. In this case, we're building sheets 2, 3. And then how do we want those sheets to look? So, what's the resolution, default information about it, and then we'll go ahead and we'll open up the layouts in the catalog so we can see the layouts as they're being created. You'll see that was one left over from a previous run. And then we'll turn on the progress log. The progress log will tell you what's happening as the sheets are being created. So here it's drawing page 2, which is our sheet number 1 of 2. And in those, you'll see that it's writing into the progress log each of the steps that it goes through that have been toggled on in the export. Now over in the catalog, you'll see that it's created a second item where that first sheet 2 had been run previously. Now we have another sheet 2 that's been created. And after this one is done, you'll see that the third sheet will be created as well. So here it's building the third sheet. And in that third sheet, you can see what it's doing on the left. This gives you a nice overview of what's happening in the background. Since you can't see the sheet at this point, but as soon as this is done, it should be done just a few seconds. We're going to go ahead and look at those sheets. So here it is exporting the page now. It's creating that PDF, and if we look now, we'll see that we do have 3 sheets indicated. The first sheet, let's get that out of the way. The first sheet with the defaults that we had, very basic sheet, but we just want to show a quick run of it. And then we'll look at the second sheet. So we'll close that. We'll open up the second sheet. Let's look at that. And here the second sheet is opening now, and you'll see everything that was written out. Of course, if you want to look at these in the PDF file, these PDFs were written in the folder that was indicated when we started the application. If you like this, give us a like and follow.